Let us look at the ratio analysis part of the P&L analysis. In the previous videos, so far we have learned how we do the variance analysis and how we do the vertical analysis, just to briefly understand how to capture the items of particular attention. However, the P&L analysis is incomplete if we are not doing the ratio analysis. So ratio analysis means that it assists in measuring the effectiveness of how the business is being operated. Example of the ratios are mix of sales, average room rate per revenue per available room. So ratios are relative performance compared to something else. For example, GOP percentage is a ratio, profit percentage is a ratio, occupancy percentage is a ratio. So, and for other department, it can be average check, food and beverage cost, labor cost percentage, revenue per seat available. So these are all the ratios which help us to understand the business performance related to something else, some other measures. For example, revenues. For example, number of rooms occupied. For example, number of covers served in the hotel, because a lot of expenses are variable. A lot of revenue is also variable depending on the volume of business. So if we do only absolute analysis, it may lead us to wrong decisions rather than if we are doing the ratio analysis. So for example of ratio analysis can be the profitability, can be the occupancy percentage, can be average daily rate, RevPAR, GOP per available room, GOP per occupied room. So these are very easy ratios. However, when we are doing the ratio analysis, we have to be careful on changes in accounting periods and changes in the accounting methods, because the ratios will be reflected differently if we account for if we change the accounting methods or the accounting policies. So those are a bit difficult to so the ratio in that case will not reflect a true picture. Also, ratios does not tell anything unless we are comparing them with certain benchmarks, maybe budgets, or comparing the industry standards. So the ratio analysis itself will not help us, will not do anything unless we are comparing with them some with the benchmarks.